Well, didn't have my GoPro on. I was out for a little drive, and I think the 450 is done. But if I get on it and crank it like really hard, it does let go and fire back up, but then dies like right away. So it's not like fully blown up. It still starts if I really get on it, but then it doesn't stay running. So if you know what causes that, well, let me know. Kind of sucks I didn't get on the GoPro, but yeah, terrible thing. And my 230 is also broken, so we're out of bikes for a little while, I guess. Hopefully it's an easy fix. I don't think I will need to rebuild it this summer, sadly, but well, let me know if you know what the problem is. Like I say, if I really kick on it, it does fire back up. Like after I get it like unstuck. I did it like 2 times already, and it did fire up twice, but then it would like run for like a second and just cut off. First time I blew up a dirt bike, if it is blowing up. Hopefully not.